Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a cool 2020 Hot Wheels. This is the Runaway Res-Q from Hot Wheels Metro, number 7 of 10. And yes, it does look like this car is facing the other way in the packaging, because that's the way that Matchbox is facing the packaging, while Hot Wheels face this way. Well, turns out this has actually been opened before. You can see the tape there. You can see how they've taped it off. But this car has been opened before, but it's still brand new. My hypothesis is that this was returned to the auto parts store that I got this from. And I got it a couple weeks ago, so this is probably from a really old case. And it's a cool casting, Runaway Res-Q. It's got a special feature, which I'll show on the back. This is 104 of 250 for 2020. It's on an international card. Hot Wheels Metro 7 of 10. GHF 67 is the number, and it's got that rotating, or that special feature right there. 2018 copyright. On the international cars, has a 2018 copyright. I've got the newest variation of it here. This is a 2021 version. I got this in the City 5-pack, which I opened recently. And now it's time to get this one open. And we're getting this one open for good. Oh my, that's a lot of tape we got there. We'll pry it out. And then we will take the tape off later. I'll save the card. But we are not returning this one. Runaway Res-Q, HW Airlines. The wheels don't seem to be destroyed or anything. Doesn't look like there's any wear on this whatsoever. Just a little bit of dust. But I do not see any flaws. So we are good here. We've got a brand new vehicle. And there's our special feature right there. The lifting ladder, I believe. Yeah, it's a ladder. Or is it? Kind of hard to tell. But this is our Runaway Res-Q. Look at both of them right there. Wasn't a very good look, but I'll give you a comparison after. We got the black off-road 6-spoke rims with a gray stripe on them. There's a better look at the stripes. And you can see the painted decals. You can see that nice ladder right there and those silver panels and red stripes, black stripes as well. HW Airlines Runaway Marshal. So this is like an airport fire truck, kind of. I have a Matchbox airport fire truck somewhere. Can't seem to find it right now. I think I should put this with my emergency vehicles, but I want to put it with the other one too, and the other one isn't quite an emergency vehicle, but I'll think it through. Here's your look at our 2020 version of the Runaway Res-Q. Red clear on top here. I'm a poet and I don't know it. Even my feet, they show it. That's horrible. That's a quote from one of my online DVD teachers. Do not question my existence, because I already am. This is like a cool little truck thing. I don't know what you would classify this as, but it's just a big truck. There's actually an interior right here. You can see the interior. Can you see that? Kind of hard to see it. Front, it's got a brush guard. I'm telling you right now, all the greenish yellow you see is plastic. And that's what it looks like. Let's take a look at the base. The base is metal, die-cast base, and it's a matte black finish. The rivets are clear red. This car is made in Malaysia. Runaway Res-Q. N31 is the base code. 2018 is when the casting was designed. It first came out in 2019 for the Hot Wheels mainline. FYB58 is the original toy number. I think it's a cool car. And I actually have my scale. And I'm going to start weighing these cars now. Turn it on here. Going with ounces. If I can press the right button. Elite. Alright. If I can do this right. It's at ounces. And we put this on. Doesn't want to stay on. Here we go. One point 1.292. So this car is not very heavy, but it's not extremely light either. I'd say this is above average for as far as weight goes. Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox this Runaway Res-Q 2020 Hot Wheels. Already been opened, then returned to the store. Facing the wrong way in the packaging because it was already taken out. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe for more. Peace.